Once your pieces are cut out with the freezer paper and you peel the freezer paper off, you just have a piece of wool. There's nothing fusible or anything on it to help it stick to your background. So you will need to use glue to stick it to your background. My favorite glue to use is Roxanne's glue Bast-It. This is the little squeezy bottle. It comes in this tube. I don't know if you can really see. There we go. Maybe you can see the name of it better there. Roxanne's glue Bast-It. And typically you don't need much of this, but I also do keep this in my sewing bag in case my pieces become unstuck while I'm stitching, because I tend to manhandle my projects a bit and the pieces can sometimes fall off. So you really just take this off and you just put little dots of glue. You don't want to put it too close to the edge. Putting it too close to the edge means your stitches are going to try to go through it and that will hurt your fingers. So I will usually put like my little dots of glue kind of here, maybe one in the middle. And then I will take it and I will place it down on my background. It doesn't take a lot of glue. Once I have placed it on my background, I will often hold an iron over it. That just helps the glue to set and dry. And then I will flip the whole project over and do the same thing. Here I have all of my pieces together. With the pinata, you're going to build from the bottom up. So you're going to place his feet. So this is, I think, 1 through 10. You're going to start with 10 and work your way up. And then you'll tuck his little nose under and tuck his little tail under and then put the eyes. You'll put dots of glue on the pieces to hold them in place. Do not glue these little pieces down. You want these little pieces to kind of stick up and be little fringy pieces. Press the whole thing to help the glue to set. Flip it over. This one has already been stitched so you can see all my stitches, and press the glue to set on the back. So that is how you will get it to fuse when you use freezer paper. Since freezer paper does not have any fusing agents in it, you will have to use the glue to hold your wool in place.